The OnePlus 12 is coming soon. Depending on which rumor you go by, it will be announced either in December or January. If you have looked at the OnePlus 11 but felt it was just missing some features you deem of the utmost necessity for a phone to have, here's some good news. It looks like the OnePlus 12 will rectify all of its predecessor's shortcomings, according to a new rumor from the generally very reliable digital chat station over on Weibo. Unlike the OnePlus 11, the OnePlus 12 is said to have wireless charging support at 50 watt no less. It's also apparently packing USB 3.2 support in its USB-C port and an IR blaster. As previously rumored, it will date a high-quality periscope zoom lens with 3x optical zoom and a 64MP sensor. These are all things that the OnePlus 11 lacked, and them being added to the OnePlus 12 will seemingly make it one of the most high-end devices ever to bear the name OnePlus. With that said, we wouldn't be at all surprised if a price hike will accompany the expanded spec list. According to previous rumors, the OnePlus 12 will be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with either 16GB or 24GB of RAM, at least 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, and a 5400 mAh battery with support for 100-watt wired charging. Expect a 6.82-inch 120Hz QHD Plus screen with 2600 nit peak brightness, and of course Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14 on top.